Hi, I'm Vicki Stewart with Tennessee Farmers Co-op, and you are watching the Co-op Minute. With a late Thanksgiving holiday, many people don't realize just how close it is to Christmas. It's only 5 weeks away, but there's no need to panic because your local co-op has everything you need for everyone on your shopping list, including friends and family. For the men in our life, we have hunting items such as wildlife feeders, deer stands, game cameras, and some great camo pieces. And don't forget, he probably would love a new pair of boots, some sunglasses, a co-op hat, or for the guy who has everything, a good pocket knife. For the ladies in our lives, the co-op has a wide variety of candles, women's clothing, and for that avid bird watcher, we have bird feeders, bird seed, and even some special treats for our feathered friends. You know, we've come to expect the unexpected from the co-op, and she will too whenever you bring home a perfect gift of home or wall decor that's sure to enhance any room in her home. For the children in our life, we have toy tractors, children's clothing, and of course those wonderful Melissa and Doug toys for things such as puzzles, craft kits, and activity pads. Between November the 25th and January the 5th, a wide selection of these items will be on sale at your participating co-ops. So come by and check it out. And as always, Merry Christmas from your local co-op. Thanks again for joining us in the Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.